Hey guys, I'm back again with another live trading video from the Dollar Monster Live Discord chat, which you can find at the Dollar Monster website in the description below. That's where I do all my live trading at, so you guys can follow along with me as I trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and leave a comment so that YouTube knows you like this video. Okay, so we are trading Burlington Stores today. We found this by going to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ. Click on today's date, organize our market cap, highest to lowest, and then showing only our stocks that are reporting pre-market. We've got Kroger and we've got Burlington Stores. All these other ones just weren't up to snuff. It was kind of a toss-up between Kroger and Burlington because they both reported really good earnings. But we're going to go with Burlington. So we go to Google, type in the Burl stock, come down and we see the pre-market is at 6.3%. That's really good. And the news reports on this morning, let's see, Burlington Store stocks jumps after profit beat as gross margin improves. Burlington Store stock jumps after profit beat. Burlington Store's fourth quarter earnings to estimates by investing.com. Excuse me. Alrighty, so now come over here to our broker and we're just waiting for the stock market to open. And there it goes. Now we ain't gonna go in right away. We're gonna give it some time. See if it comes back down. If it don't, come on. There she goes. Alright, let's go in with 100 shares. Okay, now we're in. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Put in a couple more. There we are. Yes, there we are. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. 182. We're getting up there. 246. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, we drop back down. No biggie. Come on. Give me a good spot to get in here at. I'll go into that one. Now we got 300 shares. Good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. As you guys know, this is looking like it's going to be a V-shaped pattern here. Come on, baby. Another 100 shares in there. We're at 400 shares now. all that static and volatility bouncing around there. But there again, that is exactly what we need to make money in the stock market. If you're going to be a trader, you've got to have volume and volatility. Come on, baby. You want to drop down some more? Give me a better place to get in at. Come on, that's what we like to see. Now we're at 500 shares. I've had a couple people ask me, why do I only go in with 100 shares at a time each time? Because I don't like to just throw, at the beginning just put, 1,200 shares in there and just let it ride. I like to leverage myself in, going with 100 shares at a time, 100 shares at a time, 100 shares at a time. And as you leverage yourself in, you'll see this price starts going down a little bit more and a little bit more. See, see how it came down just a little bit? That's how you leverage yourself in. And also, by doing that, it allows you to get into a stock without knowing where the bottom is. Because to be honest, nobody, no matter how good you are or how seasoned you are, no one knows where the bottom is. And you just have to quote unquote find the bottom. And you do that by leveraging yourself in. Now, you don't have to do 100 shares at a time. That's just how I like to do it. You can do it with, 5 shares at a time, 10 shares at a time, whatever you want to do. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we are. Come on. Come on. We'll put our stop loss right about here. Come on, baby. Get on up there for daddy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There she goes. 700. There we are. Yes. 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 And we're out. Simple as that. 7 minutes in, and we're out. We'll come down here, look at our account history, and there we are. $1,184 in the bank. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Now, like I said, guys, all you got to do is learn the patterns. That's all you got to do. You got to learn the patterns, which you can find on the Dollar Monster website. All you have to do is just go there, sign up, become a member. You get access to the live Discord chat where we all do our live trading at. You can also get the patterns there. There's at least 5 major patterns that constantly show themselves. I really prefer that we focus on just those 5 patterns. The reason being is because they are the most dominant patterns that show up in the stock market over and over and over and over again. All you have to do is just follow some simple steps. Number 1, go to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ, which you can Google. You can find that. Go through there, look for only the highest market cap stocks, because the ones with the most market cap are the ones with all the volatility, all the volume, and that's what you need to make money in the stock market. The second thing is, after you picked your stock and want to research it and decide if it's going to be the one you want to buy, is you just simply go to Google, you type in the stock ticker symbol, which for us would have been Burlington. That's BURL stock. You come down there, you see your pre-market, tells you how high it is, and then you come down here, you look at your news. The news will tell you everything that's being talked about on Wall Street pertaining to the stock that you're researching. For the Burlington store stock jumps after a profit beat. That's good news. You want that. Jumps after property's gross margin improves. I mean, this is all stuff that you want to look at. It's all stuff you need to see to pull that trigger. And then you just go to your broker and you just wait. Wait for market open. Wait for the pattern. Pay attention to that. That's key. Wait for the pattern to form. Once the pattern has formed and you're confident that this is the pattern you're looking at, then you get in. Don't go all in at one time. You want to leverage yourself in a little at a time, just a few shares at a time. Once that pattern has formed, then you can, balls to the wall, go gung-ho on it and go all in on it. You hold it for just a few moments. Now, we don't, when we're day trading like this and we're scalping, it's just a get in, get out type of method. You don't want to be in there for just a few moments. I would say 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops. No more than that. Or else you run a risk of this. Here you are, you bought about right here and the stock's up and you're making all this money and yay. And you get greedy and think it's going to go up higher. So you hold on to it and then look what happens. You lost everything that quick. It's you just literally, you just get in, get out. Just a few moments and you're out. Also, do not forget that the patterns are indicative of psychology of the traders on Wall Street. You got to put yourself in their mindset. The people on the stock exchange floor that are out there trading, hollering, buy, sell, buy. When this news comes out, you got to think to yourself, what is the investor, what is the trader on Wall Street going to think about this news? Are they going to sell it off because they don't like it? Or are they going to buy it because it's, there's good news attached to it? That's what it's all about. 90% of trading really is psychology. You've got to figure out what are everybody else going to be thinking about this stock. That's really part of the key notes when it comes to stock trading. You got to know your patterns. You got to know the stock you're investing in. And you've got to have psychology. You've got to be able to predict and anticipate what the traders and investors on Wall Street are going to do with this news. Simple as that. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and leave a comment so that YouTube knows you're interested in this video. Alrighty guys, take it easy.